Gumbo is a popular dish down in Cajun country, but even here in the North, our gluten-free family loves to stir up a big batch of Louisiana gumbo. Most gumbo is not gluten-free, but ours is, and yours can be too. Let me show you how. First, chop up all of the beautiful ingredients before you start cooking. In Cajun cooking, there are 3 basic ingredients that form what's called the trinity: green pepper, onion, and celery. So chop enough of each to create 4 cups of this trinity mixture. To begin making what is called the roux for the gumbo, heat 3/4 cup oil and 1 cup rice flour in a large soup pan on a medium heat setting. Stir the roux constantly with a flat edge spatula so the rice flour doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. This constant stirring is important, so we might as well keep the music going to get your blood flowing and have a fun time while you're at it. When the roux has started to darken to a golden yellow, it's time to add the trinity and some green onion and garlic. The roux will thicken quickly, so be ready to add some broth. You only need to put in 1 cup of broth as you stir right now, but you'll be using a total of 8 cups for this recipe. By the way, the cheapest way to make broth is just add water to your turkey roasting pan with the leftover carcass still in it and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. In fact, that's why it's become a tradition in our family to make gumbo right after our holiday feast. So, after removing all the bones and straining the broth, refrigerate the broth until a layer of fat forms on top so you can just scrape it off. Now it's time to add the frozen okra. The mixture is about to get really thick now. Stir it as well as you can, and then add the remaining 7 cups of broth. The mixture will still be thick, but put the lid on to let it cook for about 15 minutes. And the gumbo will get thicker as the okra cooks down. Now you can add the Cajun sausage, the leftover turkey, and let the whole thing simmer for about an hour, being sure to stir and scrape the bottom every once in a while. If you've never tried gumbo, this gluten-free recipe just may convince you to add gluten-free gumbo to your holiday tradition too.